The difference between metallurgical crane monitoring system and common bridge crane monitoring system. Everyone knows that the working environment in the metallurgical industry is particularly harsh, with high temperature and high dust. The working intensity of metallurgical crane is also relatively high among all types of cranes, so the safety monitoring system of metallurgical crane must also have many differences from the safety monitoring system of ordinary crane. In the catalog of safety monitoring system for installation of large cranes, the document also regards metallurgical cranes as a separate category and indicates that the monitoring system is required to be installed according to the national standard. According to the requirements of GB 28264-2017 document, the metallurgical crane safety monitoring system should first meet the national inspection standards and should have the following functions. 1. The monitoring system should be able to monitor metallurgy in real time, and the various data of crane operation include video monitoring. 2. The monitoring system shall have real-time risk warning and fault self-inspection function for the operation status of metallurgical crane. 3. The system is relatively independent, and the failure of the monitoring system will not affect the normal operation of the crane itself. 4. The system shall be able to display the data and status of lifting machinery operation in real time in the form of figures, words, diagrams, etc., and send out the danger alarm to the driver in the form of voice, light, and text prompts. 5. The system alarm device shall be able to send a clear alarm to the personnel in the dangerous area. 6. The communication protocol of the system should be open to the outside world, with certain compatibility and developability, so as to facilitate the data docking platform. At the same time, in addition to the above functions, the metallurgical crane safety monitoring also needs to make adaptive development and design of corresponding functions according to the working scene of the workshop. Due to the particularity of working environment, working condition and structure, metallurgical crane should also meet the following requirements when developing safety monitoring products. 1. The working environment temperature of metallurgical casting crane is high. When operating close to ladle, molten iron mixing, charging, etc., it will cause high temperature flue gas of more than 100 degrees in the area of the end beam of metallurgical crane, and sometimes there will be a flash of flame. Therefore, the metallurgical crane safety monitoring system should consider the high temperature environment at the beginning of design. The applied hardware should have high temperature and fire resistance performance, and its stable operation should also be considered in the software. 2. The foundry workshop has a large amount of dust, including metal scrap, metal oxide scale, soot, and other harmful corrosive gases and substances that affect the normal use of the monitoring system equipment, so the dust and corrosion resistance of the safety monitoring system should meet the site requirements. 3. The metallurgical crane keeps high load all the year round, which is a great test of the product quality of the crane safety monitoring system. It should meet the stable work of long-term high load. Dejun has made targeted improvements in the development and design of the metallurgical crane safety monitoring system. In terms of operation, the safety monitor uses a touchscreen to prevent dust from entering the key gap and optimize the keyboard input mode. The operation is simple and convenient, with prompt tone operation confirmation and backlight adjustment. In terms of hardware, Dejun dedicated to the customized upgrade of the metallurgical industry and uses fire-resistant and high-temperature resistant materials to ensure the quality of the system. In terms of software, the professional software customized for the metallurgical bridge lifting equipment can quickly and automatically correct the data and query the fault alarm record with one click. Therefore, when we inquire about the safety monitoring of metallurgical crane, we must take into account the particularity of the customer's use environment to make the corresponding system design scheme and ensure the practicability and applicability of the system is fundamental.